My name is Gerald Griffin, and I was in an accident in a lumber yard where a rack of wood collapsed on top of me. I was pinned underneath the wood, couldn't get out on my own. People were running from around the store, employees and customers were pulling wood out of me, and I finally sprang out from underneath the wood. I got hurt in the accident. I had a herniated disc in my neck, and I needed somebody to represent me. And I found John Gomez on the internet when I Googled his attorneys in San Diego. I contacted John, and he seemed like a good guy and had a lot of good case results, and so I decided to go with him. I called the store when I decided I was going to go to the doctor, and the store, they're decent people there. They made a mistake, and it was through negligence that I got hurt, but it was nothing intentional. But they had insurance. I think they offered me $2,500 or something at first just to sign some papers to have them released from liability. And I said, well, I don't know how bad it is yet. And they said, well, contact us later. And so I started going to the doctor, and I tried contacting them a couple of times, and they really didn't want to talk to me very much. It wasn't until John filed a lawsuit that it got their attention, and then we began to have some mediation hearings. They had offered about $50,000 to the best of my memory, and we exchanged a few figures after that, but it was right up before trial. They agreed to give us, I think, $570,000. I don't remember the exact number, but it was significantly higher than anything they had come up with to that point. Nothing would truly compensate me for the injury that happened. I wouldn't trade any amount of money to go through it again, but it covered my medical, and it was also quite a bit of money on top of the medical to pay me for my pain and suffering. So we decided to settle. You know, I hope nobody gets hurt out there, but the reality is it happens. It happened to me. I never saw it coming. I would recommend John Gomez to anybody that went through a similar accident. He's going to be the best representation. Insurance companies know him, and they do not want to go to trial against him because he's going to win. He's going to come out on top. I feel very confident saying that.